What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I will say I'm gonna start off right here. There's gonna be no fishing in this video. If you guys live anywhere in the Midwest, you know that we're about to get nuked by this crazy winter snowstorm, this Arctic snowstorm, whatever they're calling. But where I'm at, we're supposed to get 25 plus inches of snow. So if you want to know why I'm not out fishing and stuff, well, that's one reason, but two, it's too cold. I've told y'all several times, I hate the cold weather. It is 14 degrees right now, and it is currently snowing. It is Saturday right now, the 24th of January. So we're about to get hit with today, tomorrow, Monday, and then Tuesday it's supposed to dissolve. It's supposed to be done by Tuesday. Now the plan for this video really is to kind of give some sort of update for 2026, let you guys know what's going on. But I also want to show like a before and after of all the snow that we have here in Indiana. So I will say this, like, I have taken a step back from my business and my other channel to focus more on JuNa TV, because I do miss this. I miss you guys. It was so fun getting back toward the end of summer last year and getting a line wet with some buddies and just having a good time. So it made me miss it. Again, the cold weather keeps me away, but I think 2026, I'm gonna try to get out while it's still cold in the creek. I got my waders, my boots. I at least want to get some use out of those because I spent some good money on them. But I did get a new toy for the channel, specifically for the channel, so I can kind of maybe upgrade or boost or make my videography a little better. I went ahead and picked up a DJI mini 4K drone. So we have a drone for the channel. Now I'm going to be showcasing some drone footage today on this video, again, of the snow and everything right now. So I was out earlier taking some drone footage of my neighborhood kind of before the snow, and once the snow kind of hits in next couple days or tomorrow, I'm gonna do like an after and show all the snow in the neighborhood and stuff like that. It is currently snowing right now outside. I'm looking at it, and it's sticking to the ground, to the car and stuff like that. So we're already kind of starting, which it's gonna get pretty western out here. But hopefully the drone footage is kind of like cool, I guess, when it's done. I don't know. It's first time using it today. Some of the shots are pretty cool, so you'll see them throughout the video. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. Other than that, with the channel, I plan on doing some more stuff, some more collabs with my buddy Jaybird. You guys have seen the channel before. Making some trips to some places, hopefully. Getting possibly my daughter out in the water, getting her to fish a little bit. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I really want to revive this channel fully and get back into the groove of things, get back into the whole just being on the water, being outside, being like happy and not cooped up inside. So that's kind of the plan. But overall, today's video really just kind of showcasing the mini 4K. I got the batteries charging right here because we were just out earlier, but that's pretty much it. So if you want to see some fishing here, I'll post a couple catches right here for you guys. Enjoy them. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Ready? There we go. I called that one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what do we got? Oh my goodness. I think we got a largemouth. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Oh no, that's a good smallie. All right, guys, there we go. We caught ourselves a good smallmouth. Now, I felt them pick it up. I watched them run with it, and we called it right there. Beautiful freaking smallmouth. Yeah, this stuff is cold on the cheeks. Cold on the cheeks, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't. Yo, what is this? Dude, this is a fat. This honestly might be my biggest and fattest. Look how freaking chunky that thing is, yo. Oh my god, look at the shoulders. Yo. Dude, you guys see that? That thing's been eaten, boys. I'm getting the tail end of this thing knocked off. Oh, sweet tree, baby. Oh, I do got one. Oh my god, I thought I was snagged. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's wrapped on me. Oh my goodness. Dude, we got a nice smallie here. I'm trying to be very gentle so we don't break this line. It's only 4-pound line, but oh my goodness, there we go. That is a nice size smallie for out here. Freaking perfect. Someone got this? No. There we go. Felt that one. Oh my god, that's a good fish. Definitely felt him. Oh my god. It's a good creek bass here. Looks like a largie. Come on. Oh my god. Oh. What a good fight. What a good fight. Oh. Oh, this is a smallie. No freaking shot. Yo. That's probably the biggest smallie I've gotten out of this creek system. Bro, look at that. Top of the mouth right there. Right where you want it. Beautiful creek smallie. Oh my god. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed those catches. That's the only fishing it's going to be on this video, but I do plan to get out soon, just of course when this stuff passes. So like I said, the video itself, this is just going to be kind of showcasing the drone, and you're just going to see a bunch of b-roll of my neighborhood kind of before and after the snow. I might grab my big camera as well with the tripod and see if we can get some footage of the snow as it's like falling, maybe accumulating or something. I don't know. Yeah, we'll figure it out, but that's all it's going to be, guys. So if you are new to the channel though, and you have not already, hit that subscribe button for me down below. Turn that notification bell on as well so you guys are notified when I upload any brand new videos. If you guys been loving the content and you do enjoy today's video of like just the drone stuff, go ahead and help support me in the growth of this channel by dropping a like on this for me. And of course, as always, folks, flood that comment section down below. So yeah, if you guys are ready, please enjoy the footage of 2026's Arctic Chaos, Arctic Snowstorm, Snow Blaster of Death, Dangerous, the Midwest of 2026. All right, folks, well, it is a couple days later since we first started filming this. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. It looked super cool as I was going through the edits, but let me know down in the comments what you think. I know this video is kind of like all over the place with, like, you know, updates for 2026, showcasing the drone. I threw some fishing catches in there. Just, you know, I feel like it's a fluff video, but overall the main purpose was to kind of like, hey, this is what I have new for 2026. And of course the snowstorm kind of gave me the opportunity to use the new toy for the channel. But nonetheless, guys, I am excited that we do have the drone for the channel to kind of help the videography be a little more spicy. No, that's weird. Not spicy. I'm not making that. No, like professional. Make it more professional looking, I guess. Kind of give the channel some oomph, right, to what it's missing. Now, I know we can get away with just a cell phone and a GoPro. I know it can be done. I see a lot of really successful channels doing it that way. But for me, editing and filming and using camera equipment, that type of stuff, is just very therapeutic. Something I really enjoy doing. So, yeah, we have the drone, which is cool. One other thing that I forgot to mention, I believe, in the intro, another update to kind of the channel to help with the community of myself and you guys, subscribers, is I created a Discord for the channel. So I'll have all that linked down in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Go join up. You can talk about fishing, post your catches if you're a content creator, YouTuber, whatever. There's a spot there where you guys can share all of your socials and kind of network with other people and stuff like that. So a little fun little spot to kind of hang out when we're not doing YouTube. Yeah, that's about it. I don't have much else, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Are you excited to see it? I'm excited. I'm really excited to see what we can do with the drone. But if you guys have had a good time watching it, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, folks, get out, go fish, and I will see you all on the next video. Peace.